Hey everyone, welcome back! If you've ever wanted to watch Netflix USA, access American websites, or just keep your browsing private, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to get a USA IP address, step by step, using the safest and simplest methods even if you're a total beginner. So, why bother with a USA IP? First, US streaming libraries are massive. Think more shows, more movies. Second, getting around censorship or blocked sites is way easier. Third, a US IP can boost your privacy and help keep advertisers, hackers, and even your internet provider from tracking you. And sometimes you'll even find cheaper deals on flights and software just by appearing in the US. Alright, let's talk about the fastest ways to get that US address. Option 1, VPNs. Just grab a trusted VPN app, pick a USA server, and you're pretty much done. This is my go-to, because it's super easy and it encrypts everything you do online. Option 2, Smart DNS. It's great for streaming but doesn't hide your traffic, so less secure. Option 3, proxies. They work for basic browsing but can be slow and aren't really safe for personal stuff or streaming. And then there's Tor, which is free and anonymous, but it's slow and needs a bit of setup. Here's the thing, after you connect, you want to make sure your real location isn't leaking, right? That's where vpntest.pro/test comes in. Just visit the site after you set up your VPN or proxy. Instantly you'll see if your new IP is really in the USA. It checks for DNS, and WebRTC leaks those sneaky ways your real info can slip out. Plus there's a speed test, so you know what to expect. I always run this test before streaming or doing anything sensitive online. It's free, fast, and super accurate. So, that's how you get a USA IP address and make sure it actually works. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what you're unlocking with your new US IP in the comments. And don't forget, always test at vpntest.pro/test to keep your privacy locked down. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.